Welcome to Exodus versus Guarda wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are included in the description. In this video, we'll break down the key features, usability, and unique aspects of Exodus and Guarda wallet to help you decide which one suits your needs. Exodus Wallet is a user-friendly, visually appealing wallet designed with simplicity in mind, making it perfect for beginners and casual crypto users. It supports over 200 cryptocurrencies, offering a built-in exchange for seamless asset swaps without leaving the app. Exodus includes a portfolio tracker and is available on desktop, mobile, and as a browser extension, allowing you to manage your crypto wherever you go. As a non-custodial wallet, it ensures you maintain full control of your private keys. However, it lacks advanced features like multi-signature support or integration with decentralized applications, dApps, which might deter more advanced users. Guarda Wallet, on the other hand, offers robust multi-platform support, including desktop, mobile, web, and a browser extension. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, over 400, including some lesser-known tokens. Guarda is highly versatile, catering to advanced users with features like staking, token creation, multi-signature transactions, and integration with dApps. It also supports hardware wallets for enhanced security. While Guarda provides similar non-custodial functionality, it includes optional backup services encrypted by a password for an additional layer of convenience. However, its user interface, while functional, is not as polished or intuitive as Exodus, which could make it less appealing to new users. In summary, Exodus Wallet is ideal for beginners or those who value simplicity and style, with its clean interface and streamlined functionality. Meanwhile, Guarda Wallet is better suited for advanced users or those with diverse crypto needs, thanks to its extensive asset support and advanced features. Both are excellent wallets, but your choice depends on your specific requirements. Explore them through the links in the description to find the one that best fits your crypto journey.